morning, parents and my dear children. Welcome to Standard 1 Craft Class. Children, before starting, let me ask you a few questions. Why do we celebrate Dashera? Children, Dashera is celebrated because it signifies the victory of good over evil. On this day, the statue of Ravan is burnt. Now children, the question is, who was Ravan? Ravan was a demon king of the island Lanka. He had 10 heads and 20 arms. He took away goddess Sita, wife of Lord Ram, to his island Lanka. And because of this, he was killed by Lord Ram. Ravan is widely considered to be symbol of evil. But he also had many qualities, children. So today we are going to make craft of Ravan's face. For this, let's check out the materials required to make the craft. So children, the materials required for making this craft are red glitter paper, brown glitter paper, blue glitter paper, golden glitter paper, black glitter paper, white chart paper for making eyes, Fevicol to stick, red sketch pen, black sketch pen, stone stickers and some mirrors. So children, in the next step, we have to take white chart paper and cut it in round or circle shape. Children, kind request, do not use scissors. Please ask an adult or your parents at home to help you in cutting. Dear parents, please help your children in cutting the papers for the craft. Now children, I have taken glitter paper, golden glitter paper for the crown and red glitter paper. I have cut it into again circle round shape, smaller one for the inner part of the crown. Now children, I have taken brown glitter paper and I have cut it for the inner part of the crown. Then I have taken blue glitter paper and I have cut it into diamond shape. So one has to be big, okay, others small. Then in this blue glitter paper, with the help of Fevicol or glue, I have pasted the mirror in the middle of the glitter paper. And then I have taken stone stickers and I have placed it at the four edges of this cutting. Okay? You have to do the same way. Then I have cut mustaches of Ravan with black glitter paper. With white chart paper, I have cut the eyes and with the help of black sketch pen, I have drawn the eyes, inner part of the eyes. Okay? Now this red sketch pen will be using for tilak. Okay children? So children, in the next step, let's start making the face of Ravan. I have taken golden glitter paper and now we have to stick it on the head of Ravan. Okay? So with the help of glue, we have to place it like this. We have to stick it like this. Okay, children? Now, we have to decorate the inner part of crown. So, for that, we'll take red glitter paper, apply glue, and paste it at the top of the crown. Okay? Next, I'm taking brown glitter paper, again with the help of glue. Now I'll be sticking this on the, again, top of the crown, like this. Now children, we will take the big blue glitter paper which we have cut and we will stick it like this. Okay? So with the help of glue, okay, like this. Okay. Now, small blue glitter paper will be sticking here. Okay, children? See, children, how I have placed blue glitter paper. So, I have placed 4 on the left and 4 on the right. So, my crown is now complete. Now, we'll move towards face of Ravan. Okay? For that, we'll stick eyes first. So, with the help of glue, you have to stick eyes. Done? Now, time for mustaches. So, again with the help of glue, we'll be sticking mustaches. So, this is how you have to do it, children, okay? Fine. Now, with a red sketch pen, we have to make tilak on the head. Okay? So, we have to draw tilak. Okay? So, children, this is our final product. Isn't it looking nice? Hope you enjoyed making this craft. Children, the worksheet related to this craft will be uploaded on our school website. Kindly go through it. Thank you.